Salams and welcome. This is an interesting fact for today. If you are like me, I'm an at-home do-it-yourself enthusiast. I pretend to be MacGyver, although I break more things than I repair. But ever since I can remember, I'm 65 years old, but from the time I was 14, 15 years old, I used to love going to hardware stores. And one of the most fabulous things I found was this thing called a Fischer plug. And whenever you go into a hardware store, first thing I say is give us some Fischer plugs or screws with Fischer plugs. It's an absolutely amazing thing, especially even those roll plugs if you're going to drill into a concrete wall. And the inventor of this amazing plug is this German inventor, 1958. German inventor Artur Fischer transformed construction forever with the creation of the plastic wall plug, a deceptively simple tool that allowed screws to grip firmly in concrete, brick, and drywall. Absolutely amazing. This humble invention revolutionized DIY and professional building alike, earning Fischer over 1,000 patents and a place among the most prolific inventors of the 20th century alongside Thomas Edison. And Fischer, very famously, he was the son of a village tailor known as George Fischer, and his mother Pauline. She recognized her son's amazing gifts as the modern-day MacGyver, and she used to encourage him to have his own workbench in the barn, and he eventually got work at an engineering firm. So from a young age, he used to love tinkering around and making lots of amazing discoveries. Excuse me. And like many celebrities or worldwide famous people, he was encouraged by his mother. So if you're one of those DIY at-home enthusiasts who have been used Fischer plugs in the past, leave me some comments and let me know which other hardware accessory you enjoy using. Like for example, Bostik. I love Bostik and I love Prestik. Prestik has got thousands of uses. So let me know what other DIY things you find enjoyable. Stay well, look after yourself. Alhamdulillah.